Wow. What's up, Money Geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video, guys. In this video, we are going to talk about Lucid Air or Lucid Moto. Again, this company has been in the news constantly the last 2 weeks, and we're just hoping to finally get some news. So I wanted to give you guys an update as to some of the information that I was reading over this weekend. But before we get started, guys, if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. So guys, again, we have had this whole speculation about Lucid Moto and Churchhill Capital going public. It's just been really tight-lipped. Nobody wants to come out and make that confirmation. Lucid is not speaking, Churchhill is not speaking, but we still keep getting all these reports that they are really nearing a deal. So over the weekend here, this is a story that I got from Yahoo Finance. It said Lucid Motor is set to nail deal to go public via Client Spark, which is Churchhill Capital. Again, all these companies are, giving this inside information, which means there's something cooking out there and they're just not telling us yet. And right now, the story, they're saying that they're valuing this company at about $16 billion if these deals go through, which is kind of crazy, guys. That's a lot of money for a company that really hasn't started selling products yet. I know that, yes, they have a lot of orders, but until they start selling, we cannot just value them that much. But you see a lot of the Spark companies, a lot of tech companies do get that kind of valuation. So I can't blame them for it. So again, if we look here, here's another news that I read today that Lucid again and Churchhill Capital close to announcing the deal. And these guys actually said around the 23rd. So that would be, I think, on Tuesday, which is going to be crazy. So if this is, again, if all this information is true, we should definitely look at Lucid tomorrow, Monday, to be a game changer. It means this thing is going to move tomorrow like crazy. So let's jump here and take a look at Lucid, see what's trading right now. So closed last week at about $54.62. And if you just go back there and take a look, see, this thing went as high as $60, which before pulling back and then closing the day at that $54. So again, if all the information that we heard over the weekend, knowing that opening up market on Monday, even pre-market on Monday, this thing is going to move quick. It might at open or pre-market, it might move. You might see this thing go to about $65 before pulling back again around 7 or 8 before 8:30. The market opens and it will squeeze back to up to 65 and maybe even test $70. And then in anticipation of the actual announcement on Tuesday, again, this is the fact that if this speculation or the information that we're reading here, if this is true, expect this stock to really squeeze to about 75 or 80 bucks even. Because just prior to this news, we saw this thing went from 40 and squeezed all the way to 53, just like that. And then now it's sitting there holding support about that $54, $55 price point. Again, if the information that we're hearing is true, anticipate this is going to squeeze all the way to 70, 75. And if he wants to, we might even see 80. Again, that is just my speculation. So Lucid Moto, guys, is really approaching a deal with Churchhill Capital, but they don't want to really come out and say it. And for some reason, I don't know what the hold up is, because most parks, they usually want to say it because it helps the company raise a ton of capital. I think Lucid has an upper hand here because they have a lot of backing from Saudi companies. So I think from Saudi Arabia, they have some investors from that particular country. And so it looks like they're sitting on some really good cash there. So the merger here is not just necessary to raise capital, but just basically taking them public, because it looks like from a capital standpoint, they're sitting pretty good. So again, if you can see here, so we talk about institutional investors, bear in mind that the Saudi sovereign wealth fund, which is again Saudi Arabia, is putting money into this company. So those are some of the key things that you want to see. So I think they are going through and really trying to iron out any sort of details that they have to before they come out and make the announcement, because as soon as they make the announcement, they think this thing is going to explode. And Lucy, really thinking like, I think second quarter or third quarter of 2021, they're going to start shipping out vehicles. So again, we'll see how that goes. So the deal for the electric vehicle maker could be announced on Tuesday. Two of the people set. So again, this is inside information that this thing might be coming out on Tuesday, guys. This is some exciting news. If this again goes through, we're talking about a $15 valuation for this company, which is crazy. But again, I've told you guys my feelings on Lucid Motors. I don't need to explain that even more. I think I like the company. I like the looks of their car, the luxury brand that they bring to the table in electric vehicles. And not just that, but so far, nobody has come out and dispute what this company is saying, their claims as far as how solid their cars are. And then they're talking about even their charging and building charging stations and doing a partnership with other charging companies to kind of make charging easy, which I think is a brilliant thing to do. So that's what I wanted to cover in this video again, guys. Just a quick update here, just to get you guys ready for the week that Lucid Motors is actually planning on making an announcement on Tuesday. Again, this is what I'm reading here on Yahoo Finance and also on this other tech website here. Again, both of them are pointing to Tuesday. So I'm anticipating that there's some news out there. So again, this is an opportunity to get in pre-market on Monday to ride that wave in all the way to that $70, $80 price point. And if this thing goes through, it wouldn't surprise me if Lucid actually tests $100, because the company is a solid company. It's not QuantumScape. It's not Nikola Moto. This is a company that is ready to go. Their factory is ready to go, and they're in the process right now, just getting ready to start development and start shipping out all these vehicles. So that's what I wanted to cover in this video. So if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. If there's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. Also, if you're looking to get started with investing, guys, WeBull is doing a promotion where if you sign up and deposit $100, you get free stocks. Links to the description below. And as always, guys, do your due diligence. Don't be a greedy savage and stay motivated.